In this video, we're going to search for and download a Sentinel-1 image using the Copernicus Open Access Hub. The Copernicus Open Access Hub can be accessed through any browser through the URL scihub.copernicus.eu. When you go to that website, you will see a number of options here. To search for and download images, you can go to the Open Hub, and here you'll see a map of the world. You'll also see an icon for selecting different layers if you wish to see a satellite image of the world, or if you want to see a map. And if you select the Draw Region of Interest icon, you can switch between drawing a region of interest or navigating. And the Navigate icon will allow you to pan, and you can zoom in and out using the mouse wheel. To search for and download imagery, you'll need first to sign up. Signing up is very simple. You need to enter your first name, username, password, and an email. Then you will receive an email with your login details. Once you have them, you can then log in. And now you can select the filter icon here, and you can set various different parameters for your search. For example, you can set a period of acquisition. So sensing period refers to the acquisition date range you're interested in. So here we will select Sentinel-1. You can select the platform, Sentinel-1A or Sentinel-1B, or if you leave it blank, then you select both. Here we can select the product type, and we can choose single look complex, SLC. So this includes the amplitude and the phase of the data. We can choose ground range detected, GRD. This includes only the amplitude, and the images have been multi-looked already, so they're much smaller. So these SLC and GRD are both level 1 products. The ocean product is a level 2 product, and this includes such as ocean swell spectra or ocean wind fields. So we will select GRD. Here you can select the sensor mode. SM stands for strip map, IW for interferometric wide swath, EW extra wide swath, and WV wave mode. Bearing in mind that Sentinel-1 acquires images systematically. Therefore, you may only find one mode available for any given area. Over land, the most common mode is interferometric wide swath. Over coastal sea, extra wide swath. And over the oceans, wave mode. Strip map is usually only available over some small islands, or if there's a specific request for disaster management. So we will select interferometric wide swath. Here you can also select the polarization, but again, bear in mind that over a given area, you may only find some selected modes available. So we will leave this blank. And now we can just do a quick search with only 2 fields selected here. And if we now select an area of interest, we can select the Draw Area of Interest icon here. Well, first we can zoom into an area we would like to acquire data. So let's select a region of interest over the city of Geneva, and then we can select Search. And here we can see the results of our search. If we zoom out a little, we can see the footprints, and if we move the mouse icon over the results, we can see the footprint shaded as we pass the mouse icon over a particular image. So here we have 446 products that meet our search criteria, and these are contained in 18 pages of results. And we can see these by scrolling down and moving to the next page by selecting this icon here. We can view more information about a product by selecting the icon here, View Product Details. So here we can see a larger quick look, and we can find more information. Then if we are interested in this product, we can download it by simply clicking this icon here, Download Product. And here we can see that the image is beginning to download.